I was yesterday remembering one of Mahatma, a great mystic, who happened to visit our home. He said at that time that life is very short. And this human life has been given as a blessing to us to do only and only one thing. And his most favorite quote, which he used to give, is Pai prapt manukh de huriya, Pai prapt manukh de huriya, Govind milan kiye teri bariya, Govind milan kiye teri bariya, Pai prapt manukh de प्राप्त मानुख दे हुरिया, गोविंद मिलन की एह तेरी बरिया, भाई प्राप्त मानुख दे अवर काज तेरे किते न काम, अवर काज तेरे किते न काम, मिल साध संगत भज केवल नाम, मिले साध संगत भज केवल नाम, भई प्राप्त मानुख दे हुरिया, भई प्राप्त मानुख दे हुरिया, गोविंद मिलन की एह तेरी बरिया, गोविंद मिलन की एह तेरी बरिया, प्राप्त मानुख दे हुरिया, भई प्राप्त मानुख दे हुरिया. The word Huriya means opportunity. Bhai Prapta, you have received this opportunity of being born as a human being. Govind milan ki eh teri bariya. This is a chance which you have been given to attain Govinda. This is a chance to attain Govinda. Avar kaaj tere kite na kaam. This is not to do any other work. Now this is not a verse which I have written. This is a verse which long ago Guru Nanak and his other masters had written. Not me. I'm not saying it. I'm just sharing it. अवर काज तेरे किते ना काम. No other work is the objective. Mil Sad Sangat, go and meet Mahatma. Bhaj Keval Naam. And when no Mahatma is there for satsang, then sit down and do your bhajan. I remember when he used to say this, "Avar kaj tere kite na kaam," it used to pierce my heart. This life is not meant to do anything other than this. And he had this habit that he would repeat again and again this verse, Gobind Milan ki eh teri bariya. Bariya, as I said, it means chance. This is a chance for you to attain Govinda. And then he would say, okay, Pai prapt manuk de huriya, paise kamaan ki eh teri bariya. This is the chance to make money. And we would say, no, you are saying wrong. Okay, I'll correct it. Vyah karan ki ye teri bariya. To get married. And then we would laugh. No, you're saying wrong, because we had been singing at least zillion times. It is to attain Govinda. It is to attain Govinda. So we children had kind of crammed it up everything. And now he is saying, playing with us, and then he would give these versions. And then he would say, okay, bache banane diye teri bariya. To produce children. No. Kar banane diye teri bariya. He used to speak in Punjabi language. So the Punjabi has, the throw and the thrust. And we would say, no. And he says, oh, I'm an old man, I have forgotten. You correct it. You correct it. What is the right verse? And then we would say, Govinda Milana ki eh teri bariya. This is the time and opportunity just to attain Govinda. The Mahatma Ji said to us, don't run after the world. This world is not going anywhere. Use this opportunity to evolve and seek the Almighty, and to open the knots of your agyanata, and to open all the complicated knots of your doubts and suspicions, and become free and truly liberated. This life is not meant for anything else. Avar kaaj tere kite na kaam, mil sad sangat bhaj keval naam. Seek the company of Master, be with the Master, and if it's not possible physically, then at least wherever you are, change your lifestyle and schedules in such a way that the priority becomes your sadhana. कहीं भी रहे, लेकिन आपकी दिनचर्या आपकी साधना के बगैर पूरी ना होती हो. तो रात सोए तो ये सोच के कि सुबह उठना है, सुबह उठ के आसन करने हैं. रात में होने से पहले शाम में, दोपहर में फिर एक ख्याल बन जाए, अरे मुझे समय निकाल करके कुछ देर बैठना है. Looking forward to your sessions all the times. This is the time when I sit. This is the time when I read. This is the time when I meditate. This is the time when I do my yogasana. This is the time when I do my pranayama. You might say, isn't it all me time? Well, your life is yours, so you are responsible for making something good out of that. If you will not take care of it, who will do that?